Makita XTR01T7 18V LXT Brushless Compact Router Kit. Honest cordless power and real results.
You're mid-cut, cord snagged on the bench edge, router bogging down on a laminate trim piece that should have taken seconds. Sound familiar? That was me every single weekend in my garage. Frustrated, resanding edges I already routed. Tight me if that hits too close. Because here's the real question. What if the cord was never the answer?
That chaotic tangle of extension cords across finished flooring, that burning smell when your router bogs mid-profile, that moment you realize the cut is ruined again. It is not just annoying. It quietly drains your confidence, your time, and your enjoyment of the craft you actually love. But here is what nobody tells you about going fully cordless with real power. Then I plugged in the Makita XTR01T7 18V LXT Brushless Compact Router Kit, and everything shifted instantly. Don't just pick any cordless compact router. Make sure it has electronic speed control that holds constant RPM under load so you never feel that gut drop bog out ruining a clean edge profile ever again. This kit runs 10,000 to 30,000 RPM through a brushless motor that actively matches torque to the cutting resistance. Soft start eliminates that violent snap on trigger pull. Dual LED work lights flood both sides of the base, so your pencil line never disappears. Star protection monitors temperature and overload in real time. The quick change base system lets you swap from fixed to plunge routing in seconds. I almost blew a deadline on a custom cabinet job. 40 linear feet of edge banding left, one battery showing low. Dropped in the second 5.0 amp hour battery, back cutting in under 30 seconds. Finished the entire run cleanly. 2 batteries included in the kit saved that job. Want to know what else is hiding inside this package?
Here is how the real-world benefit chain actually plays out. Consistent RPM means cleaner edges. Cleaner edges mean less sanding. Less sanding means faster project completion and noticeably better finished results on every single piece. Fine Home Building tested this kit across hundreds of feet of edgework in pine on a single charge and concluded they would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a well-balanced, well-made cordless router setup. That is not casual praise from a hobby blog. That is a professional trade publication with decades of credibility behind it. A professional cabinet maker confirmed the brushless motor does not feel like a cordless compromise, routing full kitchen face frames on one charge without RPM drop. Forestry.com called the performance seamless and accurate under sustained load. One verified Amazon buyer described it as the perfect blend of lightweight mobility, robust power, and precision. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for precision, 2 for runtime, 3 for portability. Worried about the price? Consider that the 2 5.0 amp-hour batteries alone retail separately at significant cost. This kit bundles router, plunge base, straight guide, rapid charger, and X-large case. The value math is honestly hard to argue with.
Join the ones who already know that dragging a cord through a finished space was never the professional move. The Makita XTR01T7 18V LXT Brushless Compact Router Kit delivers genuine corded level precision with the freedom and runtime that serious woodworkers actually need on real jobs. I have dropped the link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Quick, take a look and see if it fits your workflow. You already know you deserve better tools.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.